Want to grow your channel faster using AI? These are the secret hacks YouTubers aren't telling you. What if your next viral video could be mostly built by AI? You're about to find out how. By the end of this video, you'll have 6 powerful AI hacks you can use today to grow your channel, even if you have zero editing or scriptwriting skills. This isn't about complicated code or expensive software. It's about simple, accessible tools that will give you a massive edge over the competition. Stick around for the bonus hack that could let you post daily without even showing your face or using your own voice. Let's get straight into it. The entire landscape of YouTube is shifting. For years, the mantra was work harder, film more, edit longer, and spend countless hours grinding away. But now, the smartest creators are following a new rule: work smarter. The difference is artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a practical toolkit that top YouTubers are secretly using to automate the most time-consuming parts of their workflow. Think about the biggest hurdles you face: coming up with ideas, writing engaging scripts, designing clickable thumbnails, and figuring out the confusing algorithm. AI can now handle a significant portion of that workload. We're talking about AI that can brainstorm your next 10 video ideas, write a script that keeps viewers hooked, design a thumbnail that begs to be clicked, and even tell you exactly what your audience wants to see next based on cold, hard data. This isn't about replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it. It's about taking the tedious, repetitive tasks off your plate so you can focus on what truly matters, connecting with your audience, and delivering value. No matter your niche, gaming, finance, faceless content, vlogs, AI can give you an unfair advantage. It levels the playing field, allowing a single creator to have the output and analytical power of a small production team. The question is no longer if you should use AI, but how you can use it to get ahead. Here is your shortened version of the new writing, with no information removed, no style changed, and no bullet points added, just tightened for clarity and flow. Let's start with hack number 1, AI-powered video ideas. The most paralyzing moment for any creator is staring at a blank screen, unsure of what to make next. You've probably spent hours scrolling through other channels, trying to spot a trend, only to feel more lost. This is where you stop guessing and start using data. AI tools like TubeMagic and VidAI are built for this. They don't just give random topics. They analyze millions of data points across YouTube, spot trends in your niche, find content gaps where demand is high but quality supply is low, and even pinpoint emotional triggers that drive clicks. If you're in personal finance and type passive income, an average creator might make "my passive income streams." But the AI might suggest 3 lazy passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. Or, "I tried 5 AI-powered passive income apps. Here's what happened." These titles are specific, curiosity-driven, and optimized for high click-through rates before you even hit record. The AI does the market research, like a crystal ball showing what your audience wants. Try entering your niche into TubeMagic and get a full week's worth of content ideas, each backed by data, not just a gut feeling. That's the first step. Let AI handle the brainstorming. Now, for hack number 2, AI script writing. You've got a strong, data-backed idea, but an idea without a compelling story is worthless. Scripting is where most creators get stuck, or worse, lose the audience in the first 30 seconds. A weak intro, boring middle, or no clear payoff can wreck retention and signal to the algorithm your content isn't engaging. This is where AI becomes your co-writer. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper are excellent for structuring videos. Don't just ask it to write a script, you direct it. Use it to create strong intros that hook immediately, mid-segment cliffhangers that hold attention, and endings that drive action. The magic lies in its understanding of storytelling frameworks. Ask for an intro using problem, agitate, solve, or structure your video like a hero's journey. You can even adjust tone. Rewrite this in a witty, sarcastic tone. Or explain this like you're talking to a friend. A basic intro might say, "In this video, I will talk about investing." But with a better prompt, you get, "You're probably leaving hundreds of dollars on the table every month and don't even realize it. What if I told you a 5-minute change could fix that?" One's a statement, the other's a hook. Using AI as a writing partner ensures every second of your video is built to keep viewers watching, the most crucial metric for YouTube growth. Hack number 3 is big: AI-driven thumbnails. You can have the best idea and script, but if your thumbnail fails, your video's dead on arrival. The thumbnail is your billboard on YouTube's crowded highway. It has less than a second to grab attention and earn a click. Most creators aren't designers and spend hours in Photoshop creating something that still doesn't work. This is where visual AI is your secret weapon. Tools like Midjourney generate hyper-realistic or fantastical images from simple prompts. Need a photo of a shocked investor staring at a fiery stock crash? Midjourney can do that in 60 seconds. Want a futuristic cityscape for your tech review? Done. Canva's Magic Studio suggests layouts, generates images, and even matches colors. TubeMagic's Thumbnail Wizard analyzes top-performing thumbnails in your niche and helps you design based on proven success. Some AI tools can even A/B test thumbnails or predict click-through rate before you upload. A pro tip: combine tools. Use Midjourney to create a striking visual, like a person with glowing eyes or burning money. Then bring it into Canva or Photoshop to add bold text and branding. This mix of AI visuals and smart design creates scroll-stopping thumbnails engineered to perform. A shocked face or burning money background is perfect for finance or reaction videos, a guaranteed pattern interrupt. Let's move to hack number 4, AI for SEO domination. Making great content is only half the battle. If your videos don't show up in search or recommendations, they might as well not exist. SEO is the science of making content discoverable through titles, descriptions, and tags that align with what people are searching for. This used to require manual research and guesswork, but now you can use AI to build a winning SEO strategy. The Dream Team: ChatGPT, TubeMagic, Google Keyword Planner, and KeywordTool.io. First, ask ChatGPT for 20 video title ideas, a mix of how-tos, listicles, and questions. Take your top 5 and test them in TubeMagic, which scores each based on search volume and competition. You want high volume and low competition. Once you have a winner, ask ChatGPT to write a 300-word SEO-optimized description and a list of 20 tags based on your title. It will naturally include long-tail keywords and phrases that your audience is searching. For example, say your niche is home workout. ChatGPT might suggest 10-minute apartment-friendly workout, no equipment. TubeMagic confirms the score is high. You then ask AI to create a description with keywords like at-home fitness, bodyweight exercises, and workout for beginners. This removes guesswork and ensures your video is discoverable by both the algorithm and your ideal viewer. And now, the game-changing bonus hack: AI voiceovers and faceless videos. What if you want the benefits of YouTube? Audience, monetization, impact, but don't want to show your face or use your voice. Maybe you're an introvert, have a full-time job, or want a content machine that doesn't rely on you. That's not only possible now, it's incredibly effective. You can build entire faceless YouTube channels that sound and look professional using AI tools. For voiceovers, platforms like 11 Labs offer hyper-realistic AI voices almost indistinguishable from human narration. You can choose from dozens of voices, adjust tone and pacing, or even clone your own voice. Then, combine that audio and your AI-generated script with a tool like Pictory or HeyGen. These platforms analyze your script and automatically find high-quality, royalty-free stock videos and images to match your words. They sync clips to your voiceover, add captions, and assemble the full video in minutes. You can go from idea to edited, narrated video without ever owning a camera or mic. Perfect for niches like history, finance, meditation, or tech tutorials. Monetization-wise, this model is a dream. Combine it with affiliate links or digital product sales, and you've got a scalable system for passive income. You can build an entire media empire from your laptop, with AI doing 90% of the work. So, let's do a rapid recap. We covered 6 powerful YouTube AI hacks plus a bonus. Hack hash 1, use AI for data-driven video ideas. Hack hash 2, use AI to script compelling stories. Hack hash 3, use AI to design scroll-stopping thumbnails. Hack hash 4, use AI to dominate YouTube SEO. Hack hash 5, Use AI to get clear growth insights from your analytics. And the bonus hack, use AI to create entire faceless channels with AI voiceovers. AI isn't the future of YouTube, it's the now. The creators who embrace these tools will grow fastest. So, here's your call to action. Don't just watch this video and forget it. Take action. Pick one AI tool from this list, just one, and try it on your next video. Comment below which one you picked. Your smarter YouTube growth starts now. If this helped you, it'll help another creator. Like, subscribe, and share. Let's grow together. And get ready, because next I'll show you how to automate an entire YouTube channel using just AI, building on today's faceless concepts. You don't want to miss it.